we need to get to the data types. So for that we have analyze that will seek for elements of analysis within the Revit interface, the built-in, which are functions that we will seek on the proper moment, the core values that are for manipulating information elements, display for graphics, geometry for the elements on a three-dimensional element, office for read an Excel file, the operators from the equals comparison, it's part of, divides, equals, not, and the Revit functions for extracting and inserting information into Revit. So the general data types we need to be really clear of is that we have strings, we have numbers. For example, I'm just going to place it on the search bar, number. We have strings. Which can hold any type of number. For example, I'm going to place it sample1. That's a string. We also have Boolean elements, which set for true or false is just simple on or off. And also the element types. So the element types are a little bit much more complex. So we need to see how they work.